Now, this was about the large and complex animals, but there are some animals which are made up of only one cell, that is they are unicellular like amoeba, paramecium, malarial parasite and so on. Now, because they are made up of only one cell, obviously they do not have any organ or organ system, they do not have digestive system. So, do not they need food? Do not they use food? Of course they do. Let us see how amoeba captures its food. You know, amoeba is an irregularly shaped cell with a nucleus, and what are these finger like structures? These are the pseudopodia. Pseudo means false and podia means feet. So, because they are not actually feet, but they help in movement, they are called false feet. When amoeba senses there is a food particle, then it surrounds it with the help of pseudopodia, and then the two pseudopodia just combine with each other and trap the food particle. This forms a vacuole called food vacuole. The surrounding cytoplasm secretes digestive juices on the food, so food is digested. And what happens to the waste matter? Waste matter just goes out of the body. See, this is waste. So, three steps: first capturing the food with the help of pseudopodia, then production of digestive juices to digest food, and third, removal of waste. So, in a way, in amoeba also all the steps are being followed. Pseudopodia do the ingestion, digestive juices digest the food which is then absorbed and assimilated, and egestion is also through the cell membrane and the waste is removed. Egestion is very important because these waste products, when they remain inside our body, they start decomposing, they produce a very foul smelling gas which is also methane, part of it is methane, and this can also cause stomach pain, it can also cause many diseases because it is toxic, it is poisonous. So, it is very important. We sometimes children laugh at passing stools or urination, but actually these two acts are very important for getting rid of waste. Wherever there is waste, anything undesirable, that must be removed from the body, from the city, from the country and from the world itself, because waste is toxic.